This is insane. This is insane, y'all. I'm coming back in because it's really cold and windy out there. Oh my god. Guys, even our windows like fogged up. This is crazy. Crazy. Just listen to it. So rainy. Hi guys. So if you can hear the rain outside, I am sorry. I can't really help that. As you would have seen in the previous clip, it has been raining here for like, I don't know, 3 days maybe, and it has definitely taken a toll on my mood. So I'm hopefully gonna try and clean some stuff up in here. It looks horrible in here. So yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning. It's probably not gonna be a lot, but I'm gonna clean something. I need to clean. I need to get up and motivated. Also, I am still quarantining from work. My test results came back inconclusive. My husband and my roommate came back negative, and the reason my test results came back inconclusive is because I didn't know they had like liquid in the vial. And when I went to snap the stick off, if you've taken the test, you know what I'm talking about. But when I went to snap the stick off so it would like go in the vial, a little bit of the liquid spilled out, and I didn't know that. At the time was important, and the lady should have seen it happen and should have been like, look, I need to give you another test or something. But that never happened, and so my results were inconclusive. But I'm not able to go back to work because I've still got symptoms until my symptoms dissipate. So they don't make me retake the test, thankfully. Don't want to do that again. But while I'm out, I'm going to be out for a while. This is probably going to have some packing in it as well, because we are going to be moving out of here. We're going to be moving into our truck because we just can't afford to live with the amount of money that we're going to be having. We can't afford to live here. And this is a motel, so it's not like, oh, you can go not get kicked out. I've already asked, and because we are in a motel, not a apartment, it's a different thing. We are still able to get kicked out. So with that being said, I need to get this room really clean because there are some really nasty things in here, and I have until the 10th. Today is the 1st. To get everything clean, so I will have some sunny days, which will hopefully affect my mood better. But until then, I don't really know. I definitely have been deep cleaning and decluttering a lot. So there will be vlogs about us living in the truck and how we do it and how we fit 3 people in a Ford Ranger, because that's just gonna be fun. But until then, I'm gonna be cleaning. I'm sorry if y'all heard that. My husband's playing a video game. Let's get cleaning, guys.
video. We are going to be tackling as much as we can. I am actually not feeling very well, so as you are seeing right here, I did not end up getting this done, but this will be in part 2. Also, I was trying to film a part 2 and my battery died, so it might be a little bit longer time frame than I thought before we would get our video up. So, I'm just going to go ahead and give you what I've gotten right now done and not bore you at the same time with me washing dishes at a horrible angle. And yes, that is a ranch container right there. And cleaning all my mess. Not all of this got done, but a majority of things, the big things that needed to be done, did get done in this video. So, thanks for watching. And right here, when you see me show this spatula, I'm just trying to show you guys that it's actually clean because I thought I had a better angle than I really did. But that spatula was so dirty, I don't even know how I got it clean without scraping it with my fingernails. Now right here, I'm just mopping the bathroom. I ended up leaving the house to go to Walmart. I forgot about this. That is actually what it looked like. And sorry for my lens cover being in the way. I did end up actually cleaning up the rest of this. I just didn't show it because the editing it would have taken was too much. And this is going to be my next area to tackle in my next half, and this is my washer. I know you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? It is from Amazon. It is a Wonder Wash. I'm not sure what model exactly. You would have to look it up on Amazon, and basically you just fill it with your clothes and water. It has like a 5 to 6 pound or so capacity, and I was trying to do this while being kind of quiet because it was getting kind of late at this point, and we live in a motel and we live on the 2nd floor, so I didn't want my first floor neighbors to get woke up, so I was trying to be very quiet about that. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward with using this washer. You basically just spin it once you've got the water and soap in there, and then you rinse the clothes by putting more, like you drain it and then you put more water in your thing, and then you get your soap to come out by rinsing it, and you just kind of wring out the clothes slightly and then put them in the dryer, which you'll see in the next clip, and let them spin dry. And that is basically all you do. The spin dryer does not totally dry them, and I didn't show me spin drying them all, but when I did spin dry everything, it was more of it makes your clothes damp, and they're actually pretty nice to work with, kind of like just hanging up some damp clothes that could have went another 10 minutes in the dryer, but it works. It's what I have for right now. It saves me money. Yes, these do cost quite a bit up front, combined the washer and the dryer, which is the Wonder Wash package on Amazon. And it literally, you'll see me here struggling to put this in, because that's the drain, and I do end up kind of laying on top of the washer because I'm tired, but this is really actually saving me money, because I can go to the laundromat for like, I don't know, $10 to $15 every couple of days and wash a couple of clothes, and then, or I can wash like a little bit here and there. And then this is me putting away the dishes, and the reason I'm putting dishes away is because I don't want to wake up my neighbor, so I have what you probably can't see, but there you go, there's some metal plates in my hand, and I don't want to wake up my neighbor and have them rattle. So what I ended up doing was putting my dishes away so I could put my countertop dryer on the countertop, because it shakes kind of violently sometimes, and what I was washing I was afraid was going to make it shake pretty violently, because the more heavy the clothing is, the more it soaks up water, the more it just makes it kind of hard to keep it quiet. And yeah. And right here, I'm just going to show you how wet the clothes are, and I know you can't really tell on camera, but like, they're pretty wet. And that is a pair of jeans. Yes, it is a little aggravating that only one article of clothing, especially if they're bigger articles of clothing, will fit. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You just put it in there, and I was playing with my hair because it's kind of like a nappy to me, but yeah, I just let it spin dry, and my roommate is coming. I see him in the mirror. You will see him go by though, because he has to go to the bathroom. So then I cut the clip so that I would come back and dry clothes in a little bit, but I just flipped the jeans over because I didn't want them to like get super like dry on one end and not the other. And here comes my roommate. And for a second I thought he knocked the camera over because I heard a thud. It ended up being the syrup got knocked over, but anyway, there you go. That's how dry they actually are. They're pretty dry. And then I was realizing I did not have a hanger here, so I started asking my husband to give me a clip hanger, and he was too busy smoking his cigarette, so I just kind of stand here for a minute talking to him, and he ends up giving me a clip hanger, and I can't catch things very well, and I did end up actually catching the second clip hanger that he handed me, not the first one. Yeah. And right here, my husband decides he's gonna peek his head around and say hello. So yeah, that's the majority of the video. So Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
So y'all, I am really tired and I'm just gonna probably finish washing clothes, what's in like the washer. And then after that, I'm probably going to clean off the bed, which is a horrible disaster. And go to bed. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Say hi.
Hi.
Why did I let it get like this, babe?